Some of you have been having issues with logging into or accessing Google Classroom, or when inside Google Classroom, opening documents and attachments that teachers have sent you. This video will show you how you can fix this problem on a laptop and also on your phone or tablet. If you are using a laptop, you may have tried to join a class or open an attachment and it tells you that you don't have permission to do this. You might see something like you see on my screen here. What you need to do is you need to check that you are using your Glow account on Google Classroom. Often you will have a Gmail or be using other Google things, maybe such as YouTube, and if you access these, it automatically creates a personal account. So sometimes when you're accessing Google Classroom, you'll be accessing it through your personal account and you won't get access for security reasons. To check this, click in the top right corner on your account profile, and here you will see I am using a Gmail account, so it will not let me access anything in the school's Google Classroom. What I need to do is I need to click on my Glow account so that I can access all the things that I need to. This should hopefully solve the issue of you not being able to access classes or documents within Google Classroom. If you are using your phone to access Google Classroom and you're having issues seeing attachments or joining classes, this is how you check you are using the correct profile. Click in the top right corner on the little circle. Here you will see I am using a Gmail account, so I need to change to use my Glow account, so I can do this by tapping. This should take me to my Glow Google Classroom.